Looking for a hassle-free way to connect your factory GM radio to an aftermarket antenna? This factory radio mini barbed connector to aftermarket antenna adapter is built specifically for 1988 to 2006 GM vehicles with a mini barbed plug. It fits directly into your factory radio's plug, making installation straightforward and reliable. What sets this adapter apart is its precise fit and durable construction. It's designed to seamlessly link your factory radio's mini barbed connector to aftermarket antenna plugs, eliminating the guesswork and compatibility issues often faced when upgrading your sound system. You get a secure connection that holds up over time. Many users have praised this adapter for its straightforward performance. One customer noted that it fits well and works exactly as advertised, emphasizing the quality of the connectors. The key is making sure you select the right adapter for your specific radio and antenna plug types, so you don't run into compatibility problems. It's important to remember this adapter is meant for factory radios with a mini barbed connector, not aftermarket radios. This distinction has caused some confusion, but if your vehicle matches the description, this adapter will deliver the connection you need without any fuss. If you're installing an FM modulator or upgrading your antenna setup, this adapter is an essential piece. It bridges the gap between your factory radio and aftermarket components, ensuring your audio system works flawlessly. Its durable design means it won't wear out quickly, saving you time and money in the long run. Worth a look if you want a simple, effective solution for your GM vehicle's antenna connection. It's a no-nonsense adapter that does exactly what it promises, backed by positive user feedback. Whether you're a DIY installer or a professional, this product makes the process smoother. If that's you, ready to upgrade your GM radio's antenna connection, this adapter offers a reliable, plug-and-play option. It's an affordable way to get your aftermarket antenna working with your factory radio, avoiding complicated rewiring or guesswork. Try it when you're ready to improve your sound system's performance without hassle. This factory radio mini barbed connector to aftermarket antenna adapter is a straightforward fix that keeps your setup clean, connected, and working as it should.